Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you the difference between a wig that has a closure and the one that doesn't have a closure, because I shared with you a video, two styles before, and most of you didn't notice the difference between the two. So this one right here, it has a closure. As you can see, I've used a closure, but this one I haven't used a closure. I've used the sewing method, this one right here, but the styles are just the same. The only difference is this one has a closure, this one doesn't have a closure, and then this one has baby hair. Yeah, so what you're going to do is just to first of all apply foundation on the closure to make it blend well with your complexion, and then you apply gel on the baby hair. So this is the first one that has a closure, but the prices are different because of the closure. Okay, I haven't applied the closure very well, but you will see on this other video. So this is how it looks. So when you apply foundation on the closure, just make sure it blends well with your complexion. And then I'm going to apply more foundation right here just to make it blend well with my complexion. And then this one, as you can see, I used the sewing method. If you've watched my previous tutorials, you know how I do it. The sewing method, just pin the braids on the cap and then I sew them on the cap. So for this one, as you can see, this is how it looks. It doesn't have a closure, and then it doesn't have baby hair as well.